So what is up, YouTube? I am so sorry. It has been probably at least a week since my last video. Not gonna count my quick clip just because that took like 10 seconds to upload and stuff, and I didn't really update you on anything. But this is gonna be WRX update number 2. As you might be able to see, I am not in the BRZ. I am in a 1996 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL, and this thing is gross. It is my dad's car. It hasn't run in a couple of months, so I told him, I was like, well, you know, take it to a mechanic. If it's under 500 bucks to fix, to get it running and get it roadworthy, I'll pay for it, and I'll, you know, so it cost me 250 bucks to get the thing running. No air conditioning. I'm pretty sure one speaker works, but you know what, it's a car, and it's a whole hell of a lot less stress, not having to worry about how I'm gonna get to work, and for my girlfriend to be able to take her car whenever she needs to, you know, if she wants to go out and get a cup of coffee with a friend, she can do that and not have to worry about leaving me at home. So, so far, it's just still waiting. Got about another month and a half to go before my WRX gets here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I did buy a new camera. I got a Canon PowerShot something. It was, I don't know, it was real cheap. Got it off eBay. It was like 100 bucks. I bought a tripod and a camera slider too that should be here by the end of the day today. I want to update you a little bit on the whole WRX issues with my insurance. Unfortunately, the other guy does not have insurance, and I know I said that he did in my first update video, but what the kid ended up doing was he used his dad's homeowner's insurance and tried to file a claim when neither him or the car that he hit me with was insured under the policy. So, kind of screwed there, but it's okay because, like I said, you know, I've been saying it the whole time that I have really good insurance. My deductible is only 200 bucks, and I have uninsured and underinsured motorist, which is great. My insurance company is really taking care of me there. But in my first video, I said that it's important to have, if you don't have GAP, you should have GAP insurance. You know, if the value of your car, if you owe more than the value of your car is worth, which if you buy a brand new car, chances are you're gonna hit that portion unless you have a really high down payment. And number 2 was the replacement value. Make sure you have replacement value coverage, because you'll only get the cash value and not what it actually costs to replace it, which kind of screwed me because it was, you know, for me to buy my car, it was 30 grand and they only gave me 25. The car is settled. USA did pay me. So they, you know, I got a value that, you know, I was consulting an attorney the whole time, and he told me that the value that they came up with was fair. So I ended up taking it. I got the money. I put it down on the WRX already, and I'm just waiting on. I bought an extended warranty. I'm just waiting on that money to be reimbursed and put it in my account. And then once that's there, I'll have all the money that I said I was going to put down, and then I can start talking to the bank and, you know, figuring that all out. But I can't actually sign the papers until the car is here and they have a VIN number and they're able to do all the paperwork and such like that. So something that I want to add to not only GAP and replacement value is the uninsured motorist coverage. You know, my attorney and I both agree that that is the absolute most important piece of coverage that you can have, because, you know, he pointed something out to me. He said, if I don't have insurance and I hit someone and, you know, they're paraplegic, that's gonna suck, and, you know, I'm gonna owe hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I can always file bankruptcy. But if I'm hit and the guy doesn't have insurance, I'm pretty much screwed. You know, I can still file bankruptcy, but I'm always gonna have problems, and if I'm hit and I become a paraplegic, that's for the rest of my life. So what underinsured or uninsured motorist does is they just take, your insurance company takes the place and basically takes the coverage that you have and puts it towards you. So I have a $300,000 like pain and suffering and damages against me, or for me. If I hit someone, they are covered for $300,000 or $500,000 per accident. So now I have that, which is really nice, but I can already tell it's kind of going to be a hassle trying to make a claim for that because it's my own insurance. You know, insurance job is to try to pay as little money as possible. Like I said, I'm driving around this Cutlass Supreme, and this thing is pretty scary. The brakes, I'm going to try to get a brake clip here in a minute when I'm slowing down. Rotors are definitely warped, definitely needs new brakes. It's making all sorts of tings and pings and sounds, and it really makes me appreciate, you know, my being able to drive the BRZ, and you know, can't wait to have a new car that is just gonna make my whole WRX, the brand new WRX experience even better. But so that's what's going on so far. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm on my way to work, as you can tell. I forgot my sunglasses. That kind of sucks and glaring. But testing out the new camera. I hope I hit record because the LCD screen is on the back and I have the camera set up right now, and I couldn't actually see if I hit record or not. So hopefully I'm not just talking to myself the whole time. But yeah, I'm fine. WRX is paid for. I got all the money put down on the 2016 WRX, and I'm driving around this the POS, the Oldsmobile POS. But you know what? I'm super grateful that I'm even have a car to drive. You know, I really can't complain about it. So thank you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.